Yun, no?
Para nakita ko na picture ko sa Facebook. Ako eh.
Balik ka dumating ka. Video to, video. Video.
Ang hirap maghanap buhay ngayon. Sige, kaya lang.
Two more horses outside the gate. This is not time to place our bets.
Some entry still outside stepping gate. Daily double sales now up at 606,769. 495,000 of that belongs to the super mega outstanding favorite number 5 Nash. 55,000. Coming up number 1 Gold B at 30,000. Number 7 Crystal Sprite. A little chance to place your bets for this race, last daily double. Trifecta Quartet and your Pentapecta. This is race number 10, the friend.com.ph Club. Last call to place your bets. 1,300 meters says the journey. We are only waiting for 2 more runners. Number 6, No Boundary, and number 7, Crystal Sprite. And this race number 10, will be up and running in just a short while. 600 daily double handle, 554,000 for number 5 Nash, 60,000 number 1 Gold B, third choice, number 7 Crystal Sprite, number 3 El Bimbo, Star Quality, No Boundary, and Dika Akalani are considered as long shots. Only one entry, style outside the starting gate. Crystal Sprite. Final call now for your bets. One runner to come up. Crystal Sprite now being brought forward. Halfway through. And there at the gates, ready for racing. Race number 10 and the rock. We got Crystal Sprite, Gems 40 Yolel, moving up by the Nelson Nash. Then 2 lengths behind in third comes Gold BL Bimbo. No boundary, star quality, hindi ko akalain. Past the half mile, we got 2 runners, matching strikes together. Nash by a head, Crystal Sprite alongside them, moving up na rotated sa di ko akalain. Inside the last 600, Nash by about a half a length, alongside Crystal Sprite, then moving up na rotated is No Boundary. Nash, Crystal Sprite once again getting closer, then 2 lengths back in third sa No Boundary. 2 and 3 fighting it out for the lead. Nash, Crystal Sprite, No Boundary, trying to get closer in third as they race the final corner. I like the way Nash is rolling at this point of the race, increasing its lead now to about 2 lengths. No Boundary in second and Crystal Sprite shuffle back in third. Inside the last 300, Nash now well clear in front by about 4 lengths, while the rider Jesse Basilio Duse is still with double wrap in front. And finally the favorite Nash, second Crystal Sprite, No Boundary is comes El Bimbo, Gold B and Diku Akalain from Salas.